If you follow a lot of designers and organizers on TikTok, you've probably seen some GE Cafe refrigerators. If you're wondering what all the hype is about, on the outside, it's a beautiful finish. You can get it in stainless steel, matte white, or matte black. As we have it pictured here, we have the brushed bronze hardware on the matte white products, but you can also get brass, flat black, brushed black, copper, stainless steel. There's a myriad of options, and it's not something you order from the factory. They're an accessory you can add on after the fact. So if you get sick of it, you can change it out when it comes to your hardware. On the outside, you can't change from black to white to stainless, just so everybody knows. This has been a huge platform for GE Cafe ever since it came out. On the exterior, you have your outside ice and water dispenser with your autofill feature. What that autofill does is you set your pitcher, your cup, your bottle down, hit that autofill button, and there's going to be a laser that's going to stop the water just before you get to the tippy top there so that you don't ever overflow, but you also don't have to stand there waiting for it. When you open to the interior, you might recognize this from TikTok, is that full LED backlit wall there with that copper cafe insignia at the top. It's a beautiful finish on the inside with that gray platinum interior along with that LED lighting. You have copper all over your shelving, your door bins, and some other accents all throughout. Here we're looking at the 4-door counter depth machine. This is a 22.1 cubic foot refrigerator. In the middle here, this is another really big feature that people look for regardless of the brand of refrigerator. This middle drawer is actually flexible in that it can go up to a wine setting at 42 or down to a soft freeze setting at 23. So it's not going to be a full 0-degree freezer by any means, but it can get down to freeze those fresh steaks so that it's a quick thaw in a couple days to grill. Down inside the freezer, you actually have 3 tiers here, which is hard to come by in a freestanding refrigerator anymore. So as far as capacity, as far as organization, Cafe is definitely at the top of class. They make it in a 4-door counter depth, a 4-door full depth, internal ice and water, external ice and water, and then all the finishes and hardware choices that I mentioned earlier.